Hello and welcome to this SQL tutorial. In this session, we will learn about unique key constraint, a crucial concept for ensuring data integrity in a database. We will explore how to apply them at both the column level and the table level with a practical example. A unique key constraint ensures that the values in a specified column or combination of columns are unique across the table. That means no two rows can have the same values in that unique column or column group, helping to prevent duplicate records. You can see the syntax: create table, table name, column name, data type, column 2 data type, unique. The keyword we have to use here. Let's see the example. We can create the table employee with a unique constraint. Here I have created an employee number as a unique constraint. So let me create a table with the name EMP by using unique key constraint at column level. So let me see here what are the tables are available. I'm using show tables. I'm going to create a table with create table employee of ENO int. I can say unique. Employee number should be unique. ENA varchar of 20. Salary decimal of 10,2. Job varchar of 20. Department number int. I have created an employee table with employee number as a unique. Here employee number is unique. That means no two employees can have the same employee number. Then I'll show you how to insert a record. We need to check how the unique key is working. How can I check? By inserting the record. Insert into table name, values of employee number 1, name Ravi, salary maybe 35,000.00, job manager, department number is 10. One record is inserted. Again, if I want to try to insert the same record with another values, sales, another department number is 20. Since I am trying to give the employee number is same, employee number 1. So here we got the error, duplicate entry 1 for key employee number. So likewise, after creating a unique constraint on the table, you need to check how this unique constraint is working. So here duplicate values are not allowed. Let us try with another way of insertion. Is it allowing the null value or not? Just let me try here. I am trying to insert null value. Yes. See here. That means unique constraint will allow null value, but it will not allow duplicate values. So finally, when I retrieve the records from the table, I have 1, but it allows null value. How can I avoid the null values? We need to go with not null. So in the next session, we'll see null values also should not be allowed. We'll see in the next sessions. Till then, happy learning. Thank you for watching this video.